Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Motivation by Game. This is educational channel where I show you how to create popular maps or make popular gameplay in BeamNG Drive game. In this video we will learn how to create and make massive speed bumps. First of all, I want to say thanks for your comments guys, for your likes and subscribes. It really makes me happy and motivate for new useful videos for you. And now follow me step by step and you can easily make massive speed bumps, huge speed bumps, big and wide and any size speed bumps on any map that you like. First we download speed bump mode from official website beaming.com. The link will be in description under this video. Unzip this mode. Now copy speed bumps folder to the map folder where we will create massive speed bumps. Go to BeamNG Drive game folder. The default location is Program Files, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, BeamNG Drive game, Content, Levels. Now we choose map. For example, I choose West Coast USA. Click. OK. Now we go to Levels. Our map, West Coast USA. The next we go to folder Art. And the last folder is Shapes. Here. OK. Now we copy our mod to this folder. Press OK. Finally, we can start our game and choose the map where we have copied speed bump mode. In my case, it is West Coast USA. OK, press F11 and go to Edit mode. Here we go Window menu, Asset Browser. And we can find our speed bump same folder where we have already copied. This is our map, West Coast USA, then folder Art, and the next folder is Shapes, as you remember. OK, go to speed bump folder, Vehicles, speed bump. Here we have our file speedbump.dae. Click and press it and move it to our map. You can use your mouse wheel to change the direction. Okay, first we need to change the collision of this speed bump. So we go to the View, Layouts, Default. Okay, here we can change the collision type to the Visible Mesh Final and Decal type to the Visible Mesh Final as well. And now our speed bump has collision. So next we go to the scale, press scale, choose our speed bump from this left window and change our size. Okay, this is our speed bump. We can close this menu. Now we don't need it more, and we change the length, the width and the height. Okay, we can make it any that you like. Make it bigger, make it wider, make it higher. Okay, as long as you want. Okay, the same way you can make one more speed bump, the same process, but we will try now our speed bump. Very good. So you can make it several times and it will be easy for you to make any speed bump that you like. Just copy this speed bump mod folder to other map that you want to play, and in edit mode you can make any speed bump that you like. And when this video will get 100 likes, I will show you how to change color and style of your speed bump. If you like play BeamNG Drive game and you still don't know how to make any popular map, just write in the comments under this video and we will make with you in the next videos. Thank you for watching, guys. See you later.